Hey guys, this is Nerf Scouts, and I'm doing a video on solving a Rubik's Cube. Yeah. So the basic point of solving a Rubik, having fun with Rubik's Cubes to solve it. I know on Nerf's channel, but I'm still doing I'm doing some random videos because I like other stuff too. And yeah, so time's gonna scramble this up for me, and then I'm gonna solve it. Okay, I'm back, and I solved I messed up this Rubik's Cube, so I guess I can solve it now. So yeah, just gonna stand up because the camera can get the Rubik's Cube. So yeah, so I'm gonna start right about now. Not really timing it, but I just started it when I saw the clock change. Rubik's Cubes are really fun. A lot of people in school have them. They ask me to solve them. It gets annoying, really annoying. But it's fun. It's really fun solving Rubik's Cube. You can do a lot of cool stuff in Rubik's Cube, like if you don't like bullseye, God's eye, whatever you call that. Checkerboard. Yeah, I'm gonna show you these at the end of the video, but so yeah. If you go on our channel, we're like Nerf Guns and Nerf Wars, doing reviews and stuff, unboxing some stuff you get, and yeah. And by the way, I forgot to tell, my name's V. I'm just one of the people in the Nerf Scouts out of 6 people, I think. Alright, I don't think I'm sure. We have me, V, Steven, Sachit, Jacob, Eric, and Alan. Jacob, Eric, and Alan are brothers. They fight a lot. They hate having their force together. Anyways, now I just solved the 3x3. So I'm just gonna tell you some steps over it. First off, you need to solve this side. Make sure the first leg, just the first, is blue, red, green, orange, and lined up with the middle of colors. Orange, blue, lined up with blue, red, lined up with red, and green lined up with green, and orange lined up with orange. Then after that, you do the second layer. And then after that, you go on the bottom, whatever color you're doing. Like, if you're doing orange on the top, you get red on the bottom, blue on the top, green on the bottom, yellow on the top, and white on the back, and vice versa for each of them. So, after that is some complicated arithmetics, I should say. And yeah. So, I'm just going to show you God's Eye right now. So, this is God's Eye. And checkerboard. School looks like a checkerboard, they say, so yeah. Anyways, that's it for us. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.